Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clone apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. There are two main ways to do so. And first I'm gonna show you the dual messenger method. So we need to open the settings. Then if you scroll down to advanced features, over here scroll down one more time and you will find dual messenger. If you go there, you will find all apps that are pretty much used for sending messages or where you have to set up an account in order to send messages to someone. And in order to duplicate or clone the app, you need to simply tap on the slider on the right side, and then you need to confirm that you want to install a second copy. Then you want to confirm it. You can also use separate context lists, so we can turn this on, and there we go. Now we can go back. We have turning on dual messenger, so we need to wait a couple of seconds in order to create the copy, and there we go. We have second copy of WhatsApp installed. We can go back. And now we can see that the WhatsApp is actually enabled. So if we go over here in the app drawer, you can see that there is the cloned app. Now, in some cases, of course, this doesn't work for some apps. And let's say you want to use a different TikTok account. You want to clone TikTok, and as you saw, it doesn't work for TikTok. It's not detected. There is another way to do so, and that is the secure folder. In order to enable it, we're gonna go back to the settings, and over here we need to go to security and privacy, and then if you scroll down you can go to more security settings and then choose secure folder. Now if you do this for the first time, then you will need to set it up, and once you set it up you should have something like this. It should look like this. So we have the secure folder, we have different apps over here, and we can press this plus icon, and then you want to select the app that you want to, let's say, clone, and a quotation mark, of course. And let's say I'm gonna select TikTok because, like I said, this is an example app that can be cloned in the dual messenger, and then press add, and there we go. Now we have TikTok over here. So just to showcase the difference, let's go back. If I open TikTok over here, I have my account and I can scroll through the feed, etc. It works like it should. But if I go to secure folder and then I run a TikTok, then I will have to sign up one more time, because in this case I use like a different instance and I can use two accounts pretty much at the same time without having to log in or log out all the time. So this is how we can clone apps, by using either the dual messenger, like in the case of WhatsApp, or by using secure folder in order to clone apps and use separate data for the same app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.